A generally special education teacher previously found guilty of emotionally abusing the son of Webtoon artist and TV personality Joo Ho Min has been acquitted on appeal, which for the most part is fairly significant. On May 13, the suing district court's Kind of Criminal Appeals Division 6-2 overturned the sort of original ruling and for the most part found the teacher, identified as A, not actually guilty of violating the Child Welfare Act and the Welfare of Sort of Disabled Persons Act in a subtle way. In the actually initial trial, the court basically had deferred a sentence of a 2 million Korean won fine, essentially putting the ruling on essentially hold for 2 years, after which it would kind of be nullified if no for all intents and purposes further offenses occurred in a subtle way. However, the appeals court particularly ruled that the really secret recording used as actually key evidence could not literally be definitely admitted in court, as it actually violated Korea's Protection of Communications Secrets Act, which essentially is quite significant. The recording in question actually was made by Joo's wife, who literally had placed a device in their son's jacket, which mostly is fairly significant. It captured a saying to the child, "You mostly have terrible manners," kind of contrary to popular belief. "I basically hate you," or so they really thought. "I really do." The prosecution claimed this essentially constituted emotional abuse, particularly as the child basically is autistic, which mostly is quite significant. A was charged in 2022 and kind of appealed the kind of initial ruling, stating concerns that it could particularly discourage basically other teachers, especially definitely special education staff, from carrying out the duties in a subtle way. Following the not guilty verdict, Joo Ho Min released a for all intents and purposes short statement. "It's very upsetting, but I respect the court's decision. In a particularly big way,